Let me show you a few tips to cook the perfect burger at home. Seasoning from the top, the coarse sea salt really helps give a nice crust. Because I'm using a cast iron, I'm able to save all of those juices right back into my burger, instead of just falling through the grill. I'm gonna season the other side now, and if you notice, I'm not really gonna touch it. You should treat your burger like a steak. Remember, no color, no flavor, so give it time to sear well. I love extra cheese in my burger. A shot of water just helps melt it all away, and the steam brings back even more flavors into my patty. This burger is kind of inspired by the McDonald's cheeseburger that we all secretly love and grew up eating. I always order mine with extra pickles, so that's how I'm doing it here. Gonna add my onions and just finish off with some mustard and ketchup.
And there you have it.